Since working with the Lyovapor L-210, I can substantially increase the sample throughput by a factor of approximately 1.5 to 2. My name is Selma Chorevska and I'm a master student at the University of Applied Sciences in Cologne, Germany. Firstly, the defrosting feature allows me to get the system ready for the next freeze-drying run under 1 hour. This is very important for me because I work with different formulations and they all require specific freeze-drying parameters. Secondly, the temperature test and the pressure test provides information about the status of the samples during the freeze-drying run. This allows a simple monitoring of the progress during the run. In conclusion, the freeze-drying is very fast. All these parameters leads to reliable and reproducible samples and freeze-drying runs. Thank you.